Hey again, fellow DIYers, Doug here. Today I'd like to explain what water softener regeneration is, why it's necessary, and the type of regeneration process you should look for when purchasing your next water softener. Regeneration is essentially a self-cleaning process that's necessary for your water softener to continue to soften new water, so it's always available throughout your home. Now, in order to understand why regeneration is necessary, we need to understand the basics of the water softening process. First, hard water enters the water softener. Next, tiny beads in the resin bed attract hard water minerals, removing them from the water. Then, soft water enters your home. When the resin beads are full of hard water minerals, it's time for regeneration or a cleaning. During the regeneration process, your softener creates a highly concentrated brine solution from the salt in the tank, which is pumped through the resin tank. Then the brine solution and hard minerals are flushed from the tank into a nearby drain before the softening process starts again. As you probably suspected, the regeneration process uses salt and water, which is flushed down the drain, creating waste or processed water. Some water softeners will regenerate on a timed schedule, whether they need to or not, creating even more, often unnecessary waste. When considering a new water softener, be on the lookout for a system that uses smart regeneration technology. Smart regeneration occurs only when it's needed and therefore reduces the amount of salt used during regeneration cycles and limits the number of cycles that take place. This conserves water, salt, and saves you money. EcoPure Home only sells water softeners that use smart regeneration technology in different forms depending on the model. If you'd like to learn more about this softening technology or view a handy water softener comparison chart, check out the Home Water Resources Hub on ecopurehome.com. As always, thanks for watching.